Hello, mermaids and barnacle boys. My name is Sponge Drew Water Filter, and welcome back to another video. Yeah, trying to do a nice little intro. Getting like the video of like the whole SpongeBob thing going on in my channel, all that. How you guys doing? I know it's been a while. I think last time I uploaded like an actual video like this was like 10 days ago. It feels longer than that if I have to say so myself, but yeah, I am back once more with another YouTube video. And today we're actually going to be doing something, like I always say, a bit different. Today we're back on Pixel art right here, as you can see. Get out of here, stupid ads on Pixel art right here, as you can see. Been a hot minute since I've been shown a video like this. I think the last time I have my iPad up with me. The last time I uploaded a video like this was me drawing Lord X from Friday fucking Sunday. You can see that was 3 months ago. But again, like, the reason why I don't really do videos like these, because when drawing like characters or stuff, I don't have like OBS, so I can like speed it up and stuff. But because if I just me showing like doing like a video of just like drawing like characters something, it would be kind of boring and it'll be an hour long. So that's why I don't really do videos like that. But today there's a purpose why I'm doing this video, because a person on Pixelart asked me to do a video about how to make things glow. So that's the tutorial for today, is how to make things kind of have like a glowy effect, which I've actually done before, and it's pretty easy, and I'll show you step by step. And the person who requested is by the name of Calblikesart. I believe I'm saying the name correctly, so this is for you, Calblikesart. Thank you for giving me this idea, and I'm glad to actually do this. If you guys want me to do more, water break. If you want me to do more tutorials on pixel art, or any of you guys that use pixel art and need some help doing certain like stuff that you can't possibly do, let me know, and I will try my best. I've used this site for like, I don't know, like almost three years now. It's been since like I think like 2019. So yeah, like I think almost like 3 years now. Because like I started in December when using Pixar. But anyways, move on. I'm gonna show you guys how to make things glow. So first, this is step 1. When making things glow, there are certain tools, like as for example, as in the layer filters. You got the blur you're gonna need the most. So make things glow, we're gonna make the background dark, and we're gonna just make let's see, let me go in my stamps. We're gonna use a little tiny sponge Drew here. So yeah, how to make things glow? Well, pretty self-explanatory. For example, if you want to make something, I don't know, like a torch, for example. Let's use a torch. So yeah, let's just see. Let's lock these layers. Always lock these layers, as you can see right here, so that way you don't accidentally delete them and stuff. So yeah, that's step number 1. 2, to make things glow, there are certain ways that you want to make things glow. You can, a lot of things in the world glow, like lanterns, torches, light sources, flashlights. For this, we're gonna make a little torch. So we're gonna let's see, fill in, or make like a little kind of like a Minecraft torch, kind of like that. So yeah, there you go. That's kind of like step number 1. This is kind of like your basic torch. I know it's kind of looks a little weird, but you know what? This will do for now. So yeah, that's kind of like your step number 1. To make kind of like SpongeBob have not SpongeBob. Ugh, God, I cannot speak for the life of me. To make kind of like SpongeBob have like a glow effect from this torch, you want to go into your filters, and you can either kind of like decrease the opacity of the layer, or you could just use the brightness right here. I think, do they kind of matter here? To make them, you can still kind of see. make him a bit dark so he's barely visible. And this torch right here, let's also kind of make it barely visible too. So like, you know, he's right next to it. Next, you're gonna make another layer. You're gonna use the same color as, you know, right here. But I think let's make it a bit bigger because, you know, we're having give it kind of like a glow effect. Now I know right now because, you know, of course, you know, I'm using my phone to make these videos, so I know it's you can obviously see me. I know it's kind of hard to tell here, but you know, if you do this, you know, follow my tutorial steps on how to do this and actually do this on Pixlr itself, you'll get the gist of it. Next, you want to go to your layer filters. Then for the blur, you want to like do this. As you can see, it's kind of giving kind of like a glow effect. Now, if I can here, let me just kind of like adjust. Let me see if I can turn off like. Let me see, like, let me turn down the brightness. Well, you know what? That's good enough. But as you can see, it has nice, you know, little kind of like lighting glow to it. Now, of course, if you kind of like duplicate it, you can make it, you know, brighter to be like that. As you can see, if we just, you know, let's see, let's combine this kind of like that, and we hover over, you can see by hovering over Sponge Drew here, it's kind of making them glow a bit, as you can see. Now, of course, you know, and like, you know, shows all that, Sponge Drew would be, you know, kind of be glowing a bit from the glare of this. But you know what, this is kind of like an alternate, like, way to do it. Let's see if we kind of just, whoa, that's a little bright. I mean, you can clearly see he is glow. You can clearly, you know, see him right here. If I hover over them, you can clearly see him like bright as day. But this is kind of like, you know, another way to like make kind of things glow. You basically just like make a kind of like a light source or something. Then you make another layer, like adding the light source, make it bigger if you want to give it kind of like that glow effect. Now, if we can see, now you can make it a bit glowier, kind of like that. But if you kind of like make the blur bigger, it kind of goes away. So I recommend kind of like that is pretty good. You can see you can it's glowing like his bubbles and stuff, his jacket a bit. Of course, you know, I lowered the capacity, the brightness on Sponge Drew here, but you know, this is a way to make things glow. Again, this is a very simple tutorial how to make, you know, things glow. Again, like you could do many other ways to do this. You can just follow other videos like online to see like how to make a glowy effect and all of that. I'm pretty sure you'll probably find better videos than what I'm doing. But if this video did help you, if this video did, you know, help you out, giving kind of like that glow effect on like stuff, and you know, I'm pretty sure this is kind of like correct here. But you know, I'm doing my best, guys. I'm really trying, you know. I'm trying my absolute hardest here. But yeah, this is a way to make kind of like your things glow. If you're making a drawing that's in kind of like a dark environment and you want to have like a glowy effect, basically you take, you know, like kind of like the light source from something, you make another layer, you make the light source bigger if you want, you take the blur and you kind of like expand it out to have it that glowy effect. So yeah, that is basically it for this tutorial right here. I know it's very, very simple, very easy, self-explanatory, but again, if you want to look up other versions of people's like way to make things glow, do so. And if there isn't, then maybe mine will help you a lot. But again, this is a very short video. I did not expect this to go like that quick. But again, if you are struggling with something, like if you need help making like kind of like poses for characters and all that stuff, let me know, and I will try my best to do it. I've been, you know, doing Pixlr for like almost 3 years now, and all I've really done is make, you know, like Undertale and, you know, SpongeBob art. But I will try my best to do original art, practicing, you know, stuff, and all of that jazz. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this little tutorial here. And if you like what you see here, you basically kind of like to know the drill by now from, you know, watching other YouTubers. Subscribe to join, you know, all right, let me start. Subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell so you get notified when new videos come out. You know, like the video, comment, all that stuff, blah blah blah. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye bye.